Hello, third graders. I'm going to try to teach you how to do a pictograph with a video. We're going to use the snowiest United States cities to create a pictograph. There are 16 cities, listed. I want you to pick 6 of the 16. Out of 16, I want you to pick 6. I've selected Buffalo, Cleveland, Minneapolis, Milwaukee, and Detroit. You need to pick 6 cities too. I'm going to choose a snowman to represent every 10 inches of snow. So whatever the amount of snow, I divide by 10 and I make that many snowmen. Cleveland gets almost 100 inches, 99.5. So the first thing I want to do is round up from 99.5 to 100. So if I have 100 inches of snow and every snowman is 10 inches, then I need 10 inches to equal 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 inches, 90 inches, 100 inches of snow in Cleveland. Everybody please use 10 inches for whatever symbol you use. Okay, moving ahead, what I did is I took all my cities now, so this took me about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Again, I'm not Miss Oline, it's not an art lesson, so try to find a symbol that you can use and reproduce that looks similar every time. Also want to point out that I did a half option on 2 cities, Minneapolis and Chicago. So underneath my cities, Minneapolis was 54, so I rounded down to 50, so I could just use 5, which is just fine, or knowing 54 is almost 55, I made half a snowman, which is impossible, except I did it. Same with Chicago. 36.7 rounding up is 40, but it's really close to 35, so I made another half snowman. Okay, notice every symbol's the same, each one's a snowman, and then let's just look at Milwaukee. I went with 50, so I made 10 inches, 20, 30, 40, 50 inches. So, to review, you're going to have 16 U.S. cities. Pick any 6 you want. I prefer you don't do the same 6 as I did, otherwise your answers will be very, very similar. Pick 6 out of 16. Create an icon, a symbol, a snowflake, a snowman, a snow shovel, a scarf, I don't know, whatever you want. Even a circle could work if you need to. Then make a list like I did, going up and down from the biggest to the smallest with your 6, and then going across. Show how many inches your city got. Don't forget to do your key on top. Key is going to be 10 inches for whatever cities you select. Try to submit a photo of your pictograph if you can on Schoology or Christopher.Funk@SPS. I miss you all. I hope this video made some sense, and I hope they get better and better the longer we're doing this. Miss you so much. Bye-bye. Oops. Early in the video, I said mistakenly that Cleveland had about 100 inches of snow. That I meant Buffalo the whole time. So if you look at the top, Buffalo has 99.5 and 100. I mistakenly said Cleveland when I was first introducing it, but you can see now Buffalo has 99.5, which I called 100, and therefore 10, and that Cleveland is next. So my mistake. I don't want to re-record the whole video, so I'm just going to put this at the end. Hope you're well. Bye-bye.